My mom particularly likes a fuzzy navel. So we're gonna make a fuzzy navel for her. Got a nice big block of ice. It's actually not an artisan block, a triple sec. We're gonna go about halfway up the cube on that. And remember, these are portions, guys. You're going half and half on this. So now we got the orange juice. Half on that, right? There you go. You got a fuzzy navel. 2 simple ingredients and you have a fuzzy navel. Stir around a little bit. We are gonna take it one step further. So what we have here is we have another mandarin. Moms, we gotta make something a little bit extra special for moms. We have some rum 151. We added a little bit of a mandarin top to this. This even extra special for mother. So what she saw there was you saw a little bit of cinnamon on top of the flame of this fuzzy navel for mom. Because most moms like fuzzy navels, let's admit it. It's great. It's got a little bit of hint of cinnamon. I usually wouldn't dress like this, but Mother's Day is extra special. So, happy Mother's Day. Who in the world would birth you, then put up with you for the rest of your life? Your mom. Cheers, guys. Happy Mother's Day.